Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to integrate Supabase with Hostinger Horizons web app builder. This is the first time that I will do this integration, so bear with me if I take a longer time. So first, let's log into my Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on websites list. This is my app or my web app built using Hostinger Horizons. It's a budget tracker. Now let's click or let's edit this web app. To start this Supabase integration, just click on this Supabase button from this corner. Click on connect. Supabase is a tool that lets you add user signups, logins, data storage, and other backend feature. Now I don't have an account with Supabase, so I will create one. Sign up now. Let's go with Ben at. Let's go with Ben at bensexperience.com. Choose your own one and hit sign up. Check your email to confirm. This is the confirmation email I got from Supabase. Click on confirm email address. Dashboard layout has been updated. Failed to create. Please refresh to try again. Let's refresh this page. My name is Ben's. What's the name of your company or team? Ben's Experience. Type personal plan pricing. They offer free three plans. The free pro for $25 per month and the team one for $5.99 per month. I will go with the free one. Create organization. Create a new project. This is my organization. Project name, I will go with budget tracker. Database password, I will choose my own. Region, select the region closest to your users for the best performance. This is like selecting your server region. I will go with the US, North California, Virginia, Ohio. I will go with North California. Security options. What connections do you plan to use? Data API plus connection strings. Only connection data API configuration. I will keep these settings as the default ones and hit create new project. Welcome to your new project. Your project has been deployed on its own instance with its own API all set up and ready to use. I think now I need to go back to Hostinger and refresh the page. Authorize API access for Hostinger Horizons. Yes, I give them this access for this organization. Authorize, click on authorize Hostinger Horizons. Supabase organization authorized successfully. Ben's Experience, budget tracker, dashboard, view tables. This will link your Supabase project to Hostinger so you can start using backend features like user signups, logins. Yes, I need to connect this project on this app on Horizon, on Hostinger Horizons with my project in Supabase. Please connect my super. As you can see, this message, yes, this message was automatically sent, which is please connect my Supabase project budget tracker to my website. I'll help you connect your budget tracker to Supabase. First, let's create the necessary tables and then update the app to use Supabase instead of local storage. So this is good. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hosting Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hosting Horizons. You will see what is Hosting Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain. Also, SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.